As a Starbucks barista, my favorite time of year is the holidays. And this year, Starbucks is partnering with Tastemade to make their very own tiny kitchen. Today I get to meet with the artist making this mini store happen and hopefully give them a little bit of holiday inspiration. Follow me. Hi.
Hi, come on in.
I'm Aaron. I'm super excited to see what you've been working on. And I got you a peppermint mocha from Starbucks because I heard it was your favorite.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Well, do you want to see what I'm working on?
Oh, yes, please.
So here's the design for the miniature store. I took inspiration from what you would find in Starbucks, like the community board, the menu, which of course will be red for the holidays,
Of course.
the pastry case, and some cozy seating. What do you think?
Oh, I love it. I could just imagine like a little tiny little cake pop in there.
I'm so glad you like it. I actually started making some of the tiny props already.
Yes, I love it. These are amazing. Your designs look exactly like the larger ones.
As I wrap up this design, I would love some personal experience from you so I can get your input on what you find the most fun about holidays at Starbucks.
I just love the overall festive feeling. The red cups, the red menus, the red aprons. It is lively, it's joyful, it's warm, and there's also a sense of community.
That sounds amazing. So in what ways do you all enhance the store for the holiday season?
Well, we love to wear red aprons that we're iconic for every season. We also like to build a gift card tree. And I personally like to do our chalkboard art, even if it's on our community board, just for a little festive touch.
Ooh, I love the idea of having a miniature chalkboard in the tiny kitchen set. Aaron, thank you so much for stopping by.
I'm so excited we got to connect.
Thank you so much.
Of course. And send me a mini cup if you have a chance.
I will.